My name is Jordan Hall. I am 17 years old, and I am currently a senior at Girard College. For me, the most impactful point was during the arts. One of the speakers was from North Philly, and not only that, he had been arrested and had been in prison for 12 years. And after that, he decided that it would be a good choice for him to pursue art because he knew that a lot of places don't always hire convicts. And it's really inspiring for me because I feel like a lot of men don't go into art. A lot of black men, especially when they're older, don't go into art. And it's something that I've been trying to get my dad into because it's something that I enjoy deeply. And I want to share that with him, but he's been unable to. And to see that there's other older black men that are willing to be into art because they see it as an outlet and they see it as a place for income is really empowering to me. And to know that there are Philly artists that have multimedia ways of expressing themselves is really powerful to me because I like to have multimedia art myself. I like to use textiles and I like to do things with clay and pottery and things like that because I feel like having yourself kind of boxed into one medium is not allowing yourself to be who you really are. You're not allowing yourself to express who you are in as many ways as possible, which I feel like we as people, specifically people of color, should do at all times to show that we are not what society makes us. Freedom is often thought about with tangible things like, oh, I can go do this, I can go do that. But for me, freedom is you have the freedom to be who you are and love yourself for who you are, no matter what people say. And so as I was younger, I've always gotten a lot of comments about my face, my nose, my hair, specifically my hair a lot. And as I've grown older, I've realized that it doesn't really matter about what people say. It matters how you love yourself and to be free. Or to be free to me is to love myself unconditionally, to love my natural hair, to love my larger nose, to love my rounder face, to love who I am.